Does working from home have you considering a new home? Maybe a bigger house, maybe a bigger yard, maybe better schools, maybe just a better place to hang out while you have to work from home. Here at Summerhill Homes, we've been focused on virtual tours, 3D tours, and photos on our website for a while. Please check the website and then let us know when you're ready to tour the home. We are doing tours by appointment. It is requiring social distancing and some safety factors, but we're still happy to see you and make this stressful time a happy time to be home searching. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Please check the website below. Don't let today's sold sign stop you from looking for your new home here with me at Bellavista and Moraga. I still have 2 remaining homes ready for move-in. I would love to show you both of them. Give me a call. So you're considering a new home, and as soon as you move in, you realize you've got an entire backyard to plan. Here at Bellavista, we've taken that off your plate, and we are including finished backyards. I've got 2 available home sites ready for immediate move-in with beautiful backyards ready to enjoy. Home sites 4 and 5 are both single-story homes. They offer these beautiful locations on Fronteras Street with great views, spacious backyards, and immediate occupancy. Don't hesitate, I only have 2. Here at Bellavista, I thought I'd introduce you to some of your neighbors. Can't find any of your neighbors because we have very few people living in this exclusive community. Fronteras Street is our final phase with only 11 homes offered. Hope to see you out here soon.